Great, so the last change that I did to this script was adding the title in the figure object, in the figure method that generates a figure object. And so what we have is this plot. In this lecture you learn how to customize the style of your plots. So we have done something already, but we want to do more so that you can make beautiful plots that satisfy your needs. So now what I'll do is I'll change the font, the color and the font style of the title, and I'll also add a label for the y-axis and a label for the x-axis. So a way to do that is to go ahead and start adding parameters here and provide arguments from them like this, and so on and so on. But another more constructive way to do this would be to access, so to point to the p variable which holds the figure object, and then to the attributes that you want to add to your plot. So let's say title, and I'll delete this from here, so remove it from there and add it here, earthquake. Execute, and you get the same result. So instead of putting that here, you can go ahead and write parameters just like that. So next you may want to change the title text color, let's say orange. Execute, and you get an orange color for the title. You also have other parameters, let's say title text font times for New Times Roman. So you get a different font there. And one more attribute, title text font style, say italic. So that's the idea. If you want to know, to get a full list of what you can add, what attributes you can add to your plots, you'd want to do something like help and the plot object in there. And so you get the definition of the figure object there, and you get the attributes that you want to input to the object, and then you have the keyword arguments. So these are the attributes I'm talking about, and you can also find, say, title text font, for instance. It's a long list, so yeah, here is title text font size, and style. So if you think about changing something, some properties, some parameters from your plots, you can go help p and search for the thing you want to change, so that you can locate the correct syntax for that attribute. You can also play around with the grid and the ticks of your plot. Let's say you would want to remove the minor ticks of your x-axis, so these ones here. So you're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to do that, again, you point to the p figure and then y-axis, so to the y-axis, and then to minor tick line color, and you want to set that color to none. So that's a trick there. And oh, sorry, I said I want to remove the x-axis, but I remove the y-axis, so you get the idea. So y-axis for removing the ticks for the y-axis. Okay, so we set the color to none. If you want to change the color to something else, you can do that. So yellow, and you get this yellow ticks there. Okay, and what else can we do? Well, x-axis, axis label, let's say time, and p, y-axis, axis label value. So what I'm doing is I'm putting some labels there for the Y and the X axis. As easy as that. So basically that's how you customize your plots so that you can make them colorful and very attractive to the eye. Let's move on.